this channel has 481k views in just 3 weeks. Why this other one 28k views in just 6 days? Now this one is mind busting. 16 hours ago, and it has 8k views. Why this other one has 167k views in just 6 days? Now, once you look at this, you understand that this channel are doing pretty much when it comes to views, watch time, and watch hours. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI images for your African folktale channel. So if that seems like what you are going to be interested in, then definitely do keep on watching. Let's get into it.
So go to your browser and type in Leonardo.ai. Yes, type in Leonardo.ai. And when you are done typing that, you click on it. Yes, when you are done typing that, you click on it. So for me, I've typed it and then this is it. So I'll click on it right now. So it says unleash creativity, get started. Click on get started and let's give it time for it to load. After it's done loading, click on create new images. Yes, click on create new images and then give it time to also load. So when it's done loading, look at the other ones that I've done. Go ahead, go in there and type in your prompt. But before we go in and type in our prompt, first of all, we need to set it to 16:9. So go to the settings, click on the settings and then scroll down to this little that says image dimension. Click on 16:9. Now once we are done with that, we'll go in and type in our prompt for the video. So I'll go in and type in my prompt. Now, the prompt I'll be using for this video, this particular prompt I use for this video, I'll put it in the description box below. So if you want to use exactly the same prompt I use, I'll put it in the description box. You are free to use it, tweak it to your own way. Now, a core thing to note is that anytime you are generating this image, always remember to put African so that it will give you that native look that you are looking for. Now, remember to put in a unique prompt to avoid copyright issues. So now I'm done putting it. Let me wait for it to load. Let's give it some time to load. While we are at it, please, I want to use this opportunity to ask you to subscribe if you have not subscribed so that YouTube will also suggest this video to other people and it helps my analytics. So while we are waiting for this video, let's give it some time for it to load. Alright, what we have been waiting for, this is it. Voila! It's giving, it's amazing, this is beautiful. So one thing about this app is that generating images is absolutely free. Now you can see that the images that are being generated is the same dimension required for YouTube, and it came in four different kinds of picture, and you can just go ahead and download all of them and still use all of them in your pictures, in your videos, sorry. So for this, I'll go ahead and download this video. So let's give it a little time to load. So one thing I will also chip in is that this app also has a paid version, but with the free version, I feel like you are going to be okay unless you are selling it or you are doing more. So let me just go and click on download. So this is it. I'll click on save images and then save that to my phone. Yes. Voila, you can see that we are done with it. So this is this other one that I just did before I decided to use this one as a tutorial. So this is another one. Feel free to generate different kinds of images that you need and then go ahead to save all of them.
So if you have watched up to this moment, I would advise you do what? You subscribe. Hit on the like button, subscribe. In my next video, I'll be showing you mistakes that African folktale channel do that cost them their channel or make them demonetized. So if that seems like what you're interested in, just subscribe to my channel for more.